Hi, I'm Kat, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to our video on our Problem Solving for Adults worksheet. Problem solving is an important part of therapy treatment for a number of different reasons. Problem solving helps clients visualize solutions to different challenges that they are facing. It informs the development of an effective treatment plan, as well as increasing the likelihood of the clients achieving desired clinical outcomes. Accessing and using our problem-solving worksheet is very simple, as long as you follow these 3 steps. Naturally, the first thing you need to do is access and save the worksheet. There is a link included on our page that will open the template in your device's PDF reader, and from there it can either be edited directly or saved for future use. Step 2 is to give the worksheet to your patient so they can complete it. And finally, when the client has completed the worksheet, you should revise and reflect on their answers to develop an effective treatment plan. On the left side of the screen is the template, and on the right side of the screen is an example of what the template looks like when it has been completed. Feel free to pause the video at any time to look at the sample responses. You can also access the Problem Solving for Adults worksheets from inside the Carepatron platform. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the Templates section, filter by Community Templates, and then plug in keywords to make your search easier. When you've found the template that you want to work with, select the Choose Template icon and then assign your client to the worksheet. From here, you can simply add in information by clicking on the different sections before selecting Publish when you've completed.